Avi. So welcome to the first indie game devlog for this little game that I've been working for the past month. First of all, I like to say that I'm not a professional game developer, neither professional designer. But I'm doing this simply because I've been dreaming about this for years and now I think I'm brave enough to start my own game project. So in this video series, I like to share with you the progress that I'm making, and I hope my experience would be helpful for people that would like to make their own games. Also, this is an awesome way to get feedback from you guys about the arts, levels and game's story, and it is very motivating to have a community there where we can share each other ideas about the game. So let me talk a little bit about what I have done so far. Well, this game is a story-based platformer game. This story is about a girl who tries to meet their parents that she never met. With her grandma's instructions, she begins her journey to find their parents. But during the journey, she is able to know a lot of secrets about her life that she never imagined. When it comes to the development of the game, as for the first task, what I did was designing the character. Then I started to animate her. I have to admit that the character's run animation and the jump animation aren't the best. But trust me, I'm currently working on her animations and I hope to change the animations in near future. Then I started to working on the first level of the game. I used some shapes, as you guys can see, to prototype the level. After that, I designed 2D sprites, then I exported them to Unity and began to design the level. Also, I want to mention that I added Unity post-processing and Unity 2D lights to make this level even better. What do you think about this game? I love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this first devlog episode, and I hope you will join with me to finish this game. That's all what I got for this video. See you all soon. Bye!